IM Academy is just an educational platform. It is not a broker, okay? You do not send them money. IM Academy is not trading your money for you. They give recommendations. They're an educational platform that teaches everyday people how to capitalize in the financial markets. They offer tools, they offer services to help you enhance your financial status over time, okay? Right now, in this training, I'm gonna show you just one of those tools that I use, okay? There's plenty of tools in IM Academy, but I'm gonna show you just one this morning that we use that works great. One of my favorite ones that I believe is the first stepping stone to getting involved in trading Forex. Simple to do, simple to follow instructions once you get the hang of it, and seeing growth over time. Who's into that? Who's excited about that? Type the number 5. Awesome, awesome. I'm seeing 5s. I'm seeing 5s. The first thing you need to trade Forex is you need an app called MetaTrader 4. I'll pull it up on my screen here. MetaTrader 4 is an app. It's not a broker, okay? Keep that in mind. It's not a broker, meaning you do not put money into this app like a bank, like a broker, and they do not take a percentage of your income. It's just an app that allows you to attach your broker, okay, to this app so you can execute trades. It's basically a remote, okay? MetaTrader 4 is an app. It's a free app that you can download on any smartphone. So if you don't have this app, go ahead and feel free to download it today, right now, in your own time. This app is not owned by IM Academy. Anybody who wants to trade Forex can download this app for free, okay? Next app we use is called Telegram, okay? For those of you who are familiar with Telegram, you know what this is. For those of you who are not familiar with Telegram, Telegram is just a communication app. It's just another app that you can download for free. It's not owned by IM Academy. It's just a third-party app that we use to communicate with our teams. We use this app to send trade ideas. So the company sends trade ideas through this app. So it can alert you to let you know, hey, there's a new trade idea. Take a look at the information, okay? Copy the information into your MetaTrader 4 and place the trade. Does that make sense so far? If that makes sense, type yes, if that makes sense so far. I just want to make sure everybody's following me so far, okay? Yes, 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 we got yeses. Awesome, awesome, okay. Next, we'll show you what MetaTrader 4 is and what it looks like. Today, the market's open. So last time I did this training, the numbers were not moving. But now that the market's open, the numbers are moving, okay? For somebody who's seeing this for the first time, this might look like the Matrix. It might look confusing to you. There's a lot of numbers there, okay? And there's a lot of symbols. I want you guys to understand what you're seeing right here in your smartphone. There's $8 trillion being moved right now in your phone. That's what you're seeing. $8 trillion per day being moved in the Forex market, okay? What is Forex? Forex means foreign exchange, okay? You have 3 different financial markets. You have foreign exchange, you have the stock market, you have the cryptocurrency market. The stock market is investing into companies like Amazon, Apple, Google, AutoZone. The Forex market means foreign exchange is investing into different currencies, buy and sell. Depending on the currency going up or down, you can make money or even lose money, okay? When you go to another country, when you go to the airport, you have to go to the foreign exchange to exchange your US dollars for that local currency, okay? So let's just say I went to London in March. I had US dollars. I went to the exchange. I gave them 1,000 US. I got back 600 pounds. Does that make sense? Foreign exchange. The British pound is worth more than the US dollar. Based on the value of money going up and down around the world, you can make profits right here on your smartphone. So this is what you're seeing, the value of money going up and down, the reds and blues, the reds and blues. Are you guys following me so far? Yes, yes, awesome, amazing. Okay, now let's go to the chart. This is the chart. The skills that market experts have, they understand how to read these charts, guys. You see these charts? When the currency goes down, it's red. When it goes up, it's green. Our market experts are professionals. They understand how to read these charts here that we're looking at. You guys follow what I'm saying? They understand to look at these charts. They'll go and understand where to put the numbers, when to buy, when to sell. And this can be very complex for somebody that doesn't understand this. Anybody can trade Forex, but if you don't understand what you're doing, you will lose money if you put the wrong trades in, okay? So this is the purpose of the tool, and this is the purpose of the academy. You have access to the best to ever do it that pretty much give us a cheat sheet on what to pick on this screen here so that we can get great results over time, okay? So let me show you how this works really quickly here. So the market experts will send us a trade idea, okay? They'll send us a trade idea in this app, Telegram. Here it is. You guys follow me so far? I said we got two apps, Telegram, MetaTrader 4, okay? In Telegram, you'll have different chats. You'll see some of your friends popping up from your contact list. But the chat that's important is called the web analyzer. We'll tell you to add the web analyzer. How do you get access to the web analyzer? Guys, you have to be subscribed to I Am Academy, right? The membership has its benefits. You have to be subscribed to I Am Academy. When a trade idea comes in the web analyzer, it should notify you on your smartphone. Does that make sense, guys? When a new trade idea comes in Telegram, the app should notify you like a text message right there at the top of your screen, okay? Once you see the trade idea alert, all you do is click this link here, and it logs you in. Remember, you have to be subscribed to the platform to get access to this information, okay? Once it logs you in, you have three categories down here. You have a few categories. You have trade ideas, you have void pips, you have London payout, you have index fusion. These are all different types of strategies from different educators, okay? When you click on a strategy or a tab, I'll just click on London payout, you'll see a trade idea. It'll tell you who's placing the trade. It'll tell you what they're thinking about, if it's a sell or a buy. They'll tell you around what the price should be. They'll tell you what type of trade it is. They'll tell you the time frame. If you look at the top there, time frame Sunday, April 19th, 2020. It's about 8:53. That was last night. Okay? So just to recap, when a new trade idea comes in, it's going to go to Telegram. You're going to get an alert in Telegram. You're then going to go to the web analyzer in Telegram. That's where the alert comes. So once you click it, it'll take you to this chat room in Telegram. The latest trade idea is always the one at the bottom. Okay? You can see a few trade ideas here. There's a few of them. Some of these came early this morning. Okay? Some came last night. The ones I was talking about, the last night trades, came from Dr. Kathy, and we'll go over those right now, okay? So once you click the link, it takes you over to the web analyzer. See, I like repeating myself so you guys get it, so you guys understand. Then you go down to this tab. How do you know which tab to pick? Let's go back. How do you know which tab to pick? Let's go ahead and clarify that really quickly here. You see the screen right here, it says London payout alert. That's how you know, okay? London payout alert, Kathy. So you know to click the London payout tab, okay? This one says, let's scroll up, it says index infusion alert, Sharif. That's how you know you got to go pick the index infusion alert. Does that make sense? They'll always label it on what to pick, okay? So I did a couple screenshots here of some trades we did last night. And I'm going to show you an example on how simple this is. It's going to blow your mind. Once you get the hang of this and you get comfortable and understanding how to enter this information that you're seeing right here into MetaTrader 4, it should take you about 2 to 3 minutes, to maybe 5 minutes to enter the trades in, and then you're done. You get results, okay? Remember, this is only one product that IM Academy has to offer. There's a lot more that are a little bit more advanced, but learning while you're earning is the concept here. Copy and paste. When we say copy and paste, this is what we mean. So Dr. Kathy, she says, I am thinking about a sell on the NAS 100 around 8735.30. Let's talk about that. So we'd go to MetaTrader 4. Let me close this one out. Okay, so we'll go to MetaTrader 4 and see these right here. They're called quotes. They're quotes. She says, I'm thinking about, what was that, a buy or sell on NAS 100. So all you do is look for the NAS 100, okay? You're going to click that. That's at the bottom down there. On an iPhone, you're going to see trade. On an Android, you're going to see new order. Make sure you take those notes. Androids and iPhones are two different looks. The trades are the same, but they just look different, okay? So she says, the NAS 100, we're going to hit trade, okay? This screen will come up. It's the order screen. Let's go back to it. She says, I'm thinking about a sell on the NAS 100 around 8735.30. You guys follow me so far? The type is a sell stop. I'm reading the top one. It's a sell stop. It is intraday, meaning it's a short term. This is a short term trade, okay? So what we want to do is we're going to go here. We're back to MetaTrader 4. At the top where it says market execution, you tap that and you select sell stop. We're just following instructions, guys. That's all we're doing. Following instructions, okay? For the price, you tap the price, numbers will pop up. All you do is erase them every time. Every time you erase them. You put the numbers in that the educator says to put the numbers in, because remember, they study, they do the technical analysis, they do everything. So we're just going to follow them, okay? So let me go back to the screen here. It says, I'm thinking about a sell on NAS 100 around 8735.30. That would be the price, okay? The first number is the price, 8735.30. So you go right here, go back to MetaTrader 4, 8753. I don't even remember the number. So you got to keep double checking. 8735.30. We got that right. Always double check, guys, because if you put the wrong number or the decimals in the wrong place, you could lose money. This is why we always recommend people trading with a demo account first. Once you get enrolled to the platform, trade with a demo account first, guys, okay? Stop loss. Stop loss is the protection line. Remember that. Stop loss is your insurance line. It means if you go the wrong direction, kick me out, okay? Remember, if you have $100 in your pocket, we're not putting the whole 100 at risk. This is not gambling. This is investing. Here's an analogy. If you have $100 in your pocket, we're only risking 2% of that at all times. There's no way you should be able to blow an account. You should never blow an account if you're doing the right risk management and the proper trades and following instructions. We should be building our accounts over time. Does that make sense? If that makes sense, type the word yes, okay? So again, the stop loss, you erase the numbers, okay? And the stop loss on the trade idea is 884392. The stop loss is where it says SL, guys. SL means stop loss, just so you guys know that. The stop loss is 8843.92. All you do is this, 8843.92. Are you guys getting this so far? Can you guys do this? And look at those numbers moving, guys. Look how much those. So let me explain to you what a pip is. A pip is percentage in points, okay? Percentage in point. Every time a decimal moves from 1 to 2, that's a pip. Every time it moves from 2 to 3, that's another pip, okay? If it goes the right direction, you gain a pip. If it goes the wrong direction, you lose a pip. Does that make sense? So it's very important to know your lot size up there. My lot size is 0.10. That's the investment. The lot size is up there under where it says sell stop. Right under there is the lot size. 0.10 is equivalent to $1 per pip. Every time I gain a pip, I get $1. Every time I lose a pip, I lose $1. Okay? It might seem like small money, but it really isn't. Because if you see those numbers moving, it's not going from 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. It's going like 1 to 20, 1 to 30. They're skipping a lot of numbers. Are you guys seeing that? Are you guys catching me there? Are you seeing those numbers at the bottom just skipping? It's doing huge jumps. Okay? This is why we say on indices have a minimum of $1,000 at least. Because if you go the right direction, you can make some good money. But if you go the wrong direction, you can lose money. But if you have $1,000 and if you lose maybe $100 or maybe a little less than that, you'll still have money left to make some more. But if you only have a $500 account and you lose money, it's going to hurt you because you've lost over half of your account on one trade. Some people get lucky, they win, and they make a lot of money on a smaller account, you know. But why risk that? You know, we want to build wealth over time. We want to trade and be investors. Does that make sense to you guys? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, awesome. So take profit. Let's go to the take profit now. The take profit is TP1. You guys see that there? That says TP1, 8705.30. TP means take profit, meaning when the market hits a certain number going the right direction, automatically close my trade to take the profit. Remember, stop loss is SL. If the market goes the wrong direction, automatically close my trade. That way you don't have to sit in front of the charts all day. That's why we put these numbers in, okay? Take profit, 8705.30. Okay, let's go back. So here, you click there on take profit, erase the numbers. It said 8705.30, okay? So this is what a complete trade looks like, guys, on an iPhone. You would then press the place button, and then you're set. Set it and forget it. You're good to go. The expiration, we don't put expirations. We always leave those blank, okay? If you have an Android, your stop loss is a red line. Your take profit is a green line. Remember, it looks different on the Android, okay? Let me explain that red and blue line at the bottom there that you see moving up and down, okay? Are you guys following me so far? Make sure you take some notes. The red and the blue line in the bottom. Blue is you, the red is the broker. The blue is you, the red is the broker. This is how the broker gets their money. A lot of people ask that, well, do I owe the broker money? Do I do this? The broker takes their money as soon as you execute the trade. When both the red and blue line hit the take profit, you make the profit. So this is why when you enter every trade, it starts off at a negative. Every trade you enter starts off at a negative because the broker takes their money initially. Whatever profit you close out in is your profit. Nobody touches that profit. I Am Academy doesn't touch that profit. It's your money, okay? It's yours. Nobody else can touch that. We are just responsible for paying for the subscription to I Am Academy to get access to this information, the trade ideas. Are you guys following me so far? I'm telling you guys, man, you have the potential to make a part-time income, a full-time income, doing just this, okay? So these are one of the trades we put in last night, okay? We had a few trade ideas. We have the buy stop down there at the bottom. Same concept what I just showed you guys, okay? If it's a buy stop, on the bottom right there, you're seeing the type of trade is a buy stop. It's an intraday. It's the 15-minute time chart. So what you see right there, it says TFM15. I would tell you what that is. I'm going to show you exactly what that is, okay? The 15-minute time chart, see where it says M15 at the top left-hand corner? That means every 15 minutes, if I could zoom this in here so you guys can see it, it's moving right now. Every 15 minutes, a new candlestick will pop up. So this candlestick right now is going in a sell direction. It's going in a sell. It's a red candlestick going down. So right now, if the market expert says, hey, sell NAS 100, and if this candlestick keeps going down in a down direction, see how it's going back up? It's going up now. But if it keeps going down in a down direction, you're making profit. If it's a buy and it's going in an up direction, you're making profit. If you hit sell and it goes in the up direction, you lose money. If you hit buy and it goes in a down direction, you lose money. You always want to go with the direction of the market in Forex, okay? That's how you make money, okay? And judging by each candlestick represents 15 minutes. So every 15 minutes, a new one will pop up on this chart, okay? That's what the TF means, okay? TFM15. You can hit that menu up top and you'll see different times. This is an hour chart. Sometimes it'll say H1. That means every hour a new candlestick will pop up. This is how they determine the trends of the market. They go to each chart and see the waves. They go into history and they understand where it's going in the future. Okay, it's the time frame. All right. Now, let me get the crosshairs. This right here, you see the little white box on the right side where the numbers are. This is where they get the numbers to tell us what to put in. If they think it's going up in a buy, they're going to say, hey, I believe it's going to hit up here. The take profit is going to be 8841.39. So if it hits that line, kick me out. They could enter the trade right here. The entry point is here, okay? The stop loss would be down here if it was a buy, okay? And they would say the stop loss would be 8755.49. If it goes the wrong way, kick us out. That's what those numbers mean. I was talking to some of you, some of the team members this morning because we won all three trades. And you got to understand this, guys. If you're seeing blue and you're satisfied with the blue, you can take the profit manually. You just click the trade and hit close, okay? Sometimes you will hear the market expert say, hey, if it's in profit, move your stop loss up. It's a trailing stop. A trailing stop means whatever stop loss they gave you originally, if it's down here at 8747.05, if it's down here, okay? And this is a little bit more, you got to have a little bit more experience to do this. If it's a buy and it's going up in green and you're in profit, all they're saying is click the crosshairs. See a little cross at the top of here? Click the crosshairs. The crosshairs will come up. Move it up in the green. I'm looking at this candlestick right here. I'm just using this as an example. Move it up in the green at the bottom of the candlestick. Click the trade that's open and change the stop loss to the number you see on the far right, the white box. So if it goes the wrong direction, if it happens to reverse, it's a risk-free trade. It's a risk-free trade, meaning you cannot lose because you put your protection line in profit zone. Does that make sense? That's what a trailing stop is. Does that make sense? Type number 4. I want you guys to get this. I want you guys to be winners. Everybody on this line is a champion, okay? You don't have to be the smartest person in the world to do this. You don't have to understand exactly what all these quotes mean. You just have to understand how to follow instructions. That's it. Follow instructions, okay? Once you place the trade, you close it out. It goes in your history tab right here. These are some of the trades. These are the trades we placed last night, okay? you can see that the sell stop and the buy stop is there for all the trades that she sent us out last night. Okay. So whoever was on this trade should have the same blues as me. Not exactly the same profit, remember, because everybody has the same different lot sizes. But if you followed those trades, last night, like I did, everybody should be in blue. When I text out everything's in profit, this is what I mean. So if it's in blue, it's in profit on the far right hand side. If it's in red, it's a loss. And yes, we do lose some trades. Nobody has a perfect track record. Okay. It'll show the date of the trade right on top of the trade. Okay. Day, week, month, just shows you what you've done for the week. Okay. It always shows you what you've done for the week so far. You can go up and, oh, here we go. Here's some losses up here. There's a loss, $56. There's a loss right there, $126. We do lose sometimes. Okay. We do lose sometimes, but again, there should always be more blues than reds. Are you guys following me? There should always be more blues than reds at all times with your proper lot size, building your account over time, okay? For the month, you can see the month. More blues than reds. Down there, you see the results, the profits, and if you scroll up, you'll see a lot more reds there because now we're going for the month, okay? You guys can have incredible days. You guys can have incredible, I would say, months per week, making somebody's monthly income every week, just doing this. Who's excited about that? Give me some fire emojis. Who's excited about that? I want to see some fire, 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 fire. I'll tell you what, my mentor told me, he says, listen, all you got to do is find the right cat and copy him. Be a professional copycat. He said, hey, there's McDonald's and there's Burger King. They both sell hamburgers and they both make a whole lot of money. Somebody copied somebody. Entrepreneurship is all about being a copycat, finding somebody's great idea and just doing it better. You guys understanding what I'm saying? So this is all we're doing. These experts are giving us the cheat sheet to the trades. They're doing the homework and they're saying, here's the answers. And we're taking those answers and we're just placing them in this app, MetaTrader 4. And it's insane the results you have the potential to get if you just stick with it and have an investing mindset and not a gambling mindset. Okay? It just takes practice, guys. Just a little bit of practice. Once you get the hang of it, you can really kill it. You can really kill it. And if you want to extend your education, we have the IM.Center. We have so many different tools in the back where you can trade with the market experts live. We have binary options. We have so much stuff back there where you can go on live with these market experts and trade when they trade and get results live when they get results with them and actually learn stuff like the charts and learn the pips and learn all this stuff, you know, in full detail, like going to school. You have access to that at IM Academy. That's what we pay the subscription for. You get complete 110% value, okay? It's a great feeling when you see people, you know, getting started and they're seeing results. They're seeing results. I've been involved with so many different companies in the past where, you know, we pay all this money every single month. We don't get results, or you put your money into things and your money gets stuck and you can't pull it out. Yeah, there's so many different opportunities out there where people say that you can trade and invest and you're investing your money into a company for something else. And, you know, I love how they keep this simple. You know, we pay our subscription for the education and the information, and we have control over our own money at all times, 110%. Nobody else touches our money. And from sharing with other people, they actually gift us and bless us with the residual income every single Friday. Every Friday. So thank you guys. You guys are amazing. Happy trading. Catch pips. Let's all go to the bank together. Enjoy life. Be safe out there during the quarantine and the pandemic. And know that you're blessed and you can make an income right from your living room from your smartphone. Okay? You guys enjoy. your morning, and I'll see you on the next one.